Hello guys, so ngayon mag-inspection tayo ng elevator. So monthly to. So dito yung mga kailangan natin gawin. Pero bago yan, kailangan mo natin lagyan ito. So sa bawat deck. Para walang gumamit at safe. Para sa safety natin. So before tayo mag-proceed, kailangan yung permit to work natin na approve na. At bago tayo magsimula. So meron tayong special key dito. So dito yan nilalagay. So once inikot mo to, papara tong elevator na. So isa to sa mga test na gagawin natin. Part ito ng safety interlock na. Okay. Timing. Sunod, we need this one in this level.
Okay.
So that we can access properly. Okay, just turn. Okay, perfect.
Yes.
So we stop. It's the limit switch. Okay, you keep the key, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll put in the inspection. Okay, close. No. Just stand by outside. Yeah. You want to go inside? Okay. Ubus na yung langis na. Konti na lang. So ito yung mga nire-refill natin. Supply drill nya, no? Tapos ito, may gas-gas. Tidja kami, radio check.
Yes, loud and clear.
So ito, linisan din natin. So ito, pag gagawin, dapat nasa inspection mode. Yeah, you go up in the deck, in the elevator room.
Copy.
Yeah, because we will test also the emergency system.
Okay.
Natin kailangan punuin dahil paulang yan, total sip. Stand by, we will test the emergency system.
Copy.
So ito, okay pa naman. So i-top up lang natin. So ito ma-inspection natin, dapat ito proper in place. Saka yung cable niya. So walang damage. Top up na natin to. natin dito, no? Kung may gas-gas. Kasi pag may gas-gas, kailangan natin papalitan yung cable show niya. Okay, Tidja, I will test the emergency stop.
Okay, copy.
Okay, now it's stop. Hindi siya tumatakbo. So isa rin yung sa interlock na yun. Okay. So ito yung door switch. Check din natin to, yung belt nya, condition, tsaka yung chain. So far okay pa naman. Yung mga ganito, checkin din natin magana kay ilaw indicator. So ito yung marker niya kasi na malapit na siya sa may position. Lumabas tayo. Hawakan na natin to. Tsaka i-open. Ganito siya pag nasa inspection mode. We'll check the brake pad. This for the pitching.
Pitching more than 15 degrees.
15 degrees.
Stop now. It will give alarm.
This is the B50. Take out your thing. Put in the auto mode. Okay.
stop.
Could it stop? No, it's already. Can you check if it's disengaged?